What is up, JL Life? Modell here. Recently, I ditched the Patagonias and people have been asking me what I replace them with. Well, let's find out. So if you've been wondering what tire I replaced the Patagonias with, well, here you go. So I decided to go with the Goodyear MTR. Now, I'm sure questions are shooting in a lot of people's heads. One of them being, why did I pick the same tire as Misty? And the other one, if you all have noticed, the size being 37, why did I go down tire size? So I went down in the tire size because Goodyear makes a 38, but it's 14.5 wide. My wheels aren't wide enough to support a tire that wide. And I'm sure someone's going to say, you can still run it. I'm not going to. Was not prepared to buy new wheels in order to run them. And I am curious if that inch from the Patagonias on the 38s is really going to make that big of a difference for me going down to a 37 of a better quality tire. One of the big main factors I got rid of the last tires is because the J10 project needs new tires. The tires that are on there are very old and they're cracking and I don't want to drive on them. And I thought, well, I don't want the J10 to get the new tires. I'd rather have the new tires and put the Patagonias on in the meantime on the J10. So that's what we're going to do. That's what really drove me to upgrade the tires. Now, the reason I went with Goodyear, no, we were not sponsored. We paid for them. However, we have a very good friend who works for Goodyear. He's not some bigwig. He doesn't control any of the operations of Goodyear. He's just an employee. He gave us a discount. For all 5 of my 37 12.5s, I paid $14.80 to have them all mounted and balanced. It's a good deal. It's hard to pass up. Now, why did I go down a tire size? Goodyear does sell a 38, but it's a 14.5 inch wide tire, and that's just so damn wide, and it makes no sense because they sell a 40 and the 40's 13.5. Now, I'm not quite ready for 40s. I don't want to put things on the Jeep that my Jeep will not be capable of handling, because when you're paying for your own parts, paying bills, there has to be some logic in your decision making. Watching these on Misty's, I've been thoroughly impressed, so I'm excited to use these. I'm going to abuse these. We will do a review 10,000 miles down the road. I'm not going to get into all the details of the tire.
You can see those on mine.
You can always go and check out Misty's video. She did a better job articulating everything. Alas, go the mile stars. I know some people will disagree with me. I just wasn't very impressed with them. In the meantime, until the J10's ready for new tires, I'll probably slap these on there and go to a new tire. So I haven't heard anything negative about the MTRs. If you got something negative to say about them, by all means, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. One nifty thing about me and Misty running the exact same tire, the tire is no longer a difference maker between our two rides. So the difference between mine and Misty's rigs right now, as far as performance-wise, we both are on 3.5 inches of lift. Misty on the rock crawler, mine on the metal cloak. She's geared for 456. I'm geared for 513. And of course, the transfer cases are different. So this is going to be a unique opportunity to really put head-to-head lifts and gearing. Let me know what you guys think about the tires. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Y'all, keep it easy.